The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be the most advanced Galaxy phone Samsung has ever built, and it's already generating massive hype before its official Unpacked event, expected in January or February 2026. The phone has reportedly entered production, signaling that Samsung is finalizing its most ambitious smartphone yet. So let's dive into all the confirmed and rumored details about the S26 Ultra, its design, performance, camera, and new AI capabilities that set it apart from the competition. Starting with the design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps the premium titanium frame introduced with the S24 Ultra, but refines it with slimmer bezels and a slightly curved edge display. Unlike the flat display of its predecessor, CAD renderings show a subtle return to curved sides, not as extreme as earlier Galaxy models, but just enough to offer a sleeker, more ergonomic feel. It will feature a 6.8-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits, which makes it one of the brightest screens ever made for a smartphone. Expect an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz for smooth visuals and battery efficiency. Under the hood, Samsung is expected to pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy in most markets, while some regions may receive Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 chipset built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. This means better efficiency, higher speeds, and improved heat management. The new Snapdragon chip also integrates a much more powerful NPU, enabling on-device AI processing, and this is where the Galaxy S26 Ultra really stands out. Samsung is heavily investing in Galaxy AI, a collection of AI features built directly into the phone. Expect tools like real-time language translation, enhanced photo editing using generative AI, and AI-driven battery optimization that adapts to your daily routine. The camera system is once again the showstopper. The S26 Ultra will reportedly feature a quad-camera setup with a 200-megapixel main sensor, an improved 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with up to 5 times optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens for portrait zoom. Samsung is introducing a new AI-powered image signal processor that drastically enhances low-light photography and video stabilization. Nightography is getting a serious boost, and video recording may now support 8K HDR at 30 frames per second with improved stabilization and dynamic range. Front-facing selfies will be handled by a refined 12-megapixel AI camera capable of intelligent background separation and tone mapping for better portrait effects. In terms of battery and charging, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to maintain a 5000 mAh battery, but with new stacked battery technology that allows for better longevity and faster charging speeds. Expect 45-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, though insiders say Samsung is testing a new 65-watt charging system that might debut exclusively in select regions. The battery efficiency also improves significantly thanks to the new chipset and optimized Android 15 with One UI 7. The software experience is one of Samsung's biggest selling points this year. One UI 7, built on Android 15, will feature deeper AI integration and customization. Samsung is also extending its software update policy to 7 years of Android updates and security patches, which puts it on par with Google's Pixel lineup, a huge win for long-term users. When it comes to build and finish, the S26 Ultra will come in new color options, including titanium blue, sandstone gray, and forest green, alongside the classic black and cream variants. It will feature IP68 dust and water resistance and the integrated S Pen, continuing Samsung's legacy of productivity on the go. In terms of price, early reports indicate that the S26 Ultra will start around $1,299 similar to the S24 Ultra, though higher-end models with expanded storage and RAM could reach $1,599. So, if you've been waiting for the next true flagship killer, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra looks ready to redefine what a smartphone can do in 2026. It's clear that Samsung isn't just catching up with Apple and Google, it's setting its own new standard. Thanks so much for watching and for all the support. It really means a lot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech and gadgets.